हर किस्म के इस्लामी बयानात के लिए हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल मौलाना मोहम्मद अनवर ऑफिशियल को सब्सक्राइब करें।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि वहदह वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला मन ला नबिय्य बअदह अम्मा बअद फअऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम क़ाल अल्लाहु तआला फ़ी सूरति निसा युसीकुमुल्लाहु फ़ी औलादिकुम लिज़्ज़करि मिस्लु हज़्ज़िल उन्सयैन सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम। Today I want to describe the Islamic rules and regulations which are concerning to the inheritance of a Muslim. So first and foremost, when someone has died on Islam, on al-Shahada, so there is glorified rule about the remaining property and wealth. So first of all, the expenses of the shrouding and burial should be paid out. Secondly, if the deceased person, died person, has debts, if there is some debts on him, so these debts should be paid out of his property. Thirdly, there is if a deceased person has made a testament or a will, so then his will should be accomplished in 1/3 by his relatives and his property. So these are the basic rules of the inheritance. So after all these expenses, then the remaining amount, now it is counted as inheritance in Islam. So there is basic rules, al-aqrab fal-aqrab, on the sharing rules, the nearest, then the nearest, then the nearest. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala relates, describes that Allah directs you concerning to your children, لِلذَّكَرِ مِثْلُ حَظِّ الْأُنْثَيَيْنِ. For a male, there is a share equal to that of two females. This is the first and foremost principle about the inheritance. لِلذَّكَرِ mislu hazzil unsayain. For a male, there is a share equal to that of two females. فَإِن كُنَّ نِسَاءً فَوْقَ اثْنَتَيْنِ. If there is no male child and there are only girls and they are more than one, so in this case, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, فَلَهُنَّ ثُلُثَا مَا تَرَكَ. Then they will get thulutha, 2/3 of the inherited property. وَإِن كَانَتْ وَاحِدَةً. If there is only one girl and there is no children, male child, there is no male child, فَلَهَا النِّصْفُ. So she will get, as a daughter, she will get a nisf, 1/2 of the inherited property. So after that, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says about the inheritance of the parents. وَلِأَبَوَيْهِ لِكُلِّ وَاحِدٍ مِّنْهُمَا السُّدُسُ مِمَّا تَرَكَ إِنْ كَانَ لَهُ وَلَدٌ فَإِنْ لَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ وَلَدٌ وَوَرِثَهُ أَبَوَاهُ فَلِأُمِّهِ الثُّلُثُ. If the deceased person has children and also has parents, and parents are alive, so the parents will get 1/6 share in prohibited property. And in other case, فَإِن لَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ وَلَدٌ. If the deceased person has no children, وَوَرِثَهُ أَبَوَاهُ, and his inheritors are his parents, فَلِأُمِّهِ الثُّلُثُ. So for his mother, she will get 1/3. فَإِن كَانَ لَهُ إِخْوَةٌ. If there is ikhwa, if the deceased person, died person, has ikhwa, two brothers or sisters, that is called ikhwa. If there is ikhwa, two sisters or two brothers, or one sister, one brother, so in this case, فَلِأُمِّهِ السُّدُسُ. For a mother, there is 1/6, or the other remaining will be divided on some others. وَلَكُمْ نِصْفُ مَا تَرَكَ أَزْوَاجُكُمْ إِن لَّمْ يَكُنْ لَكُمْ وَلَدٌ. In this verse, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says if the deceased person is a wife and she has no children. So in this case, as a husband, you will get 1/2 in her property. If the deceased person is a wife and she has children, so as a husband, you will get 1/4. And in the share of a wife, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَلَهُنَّ الرُّبُعُ مِمَّا تَرَكْتُمْ. For if the deceased person is a husband and he has no children, وَلَهُنَّ الرُّبُعُ, they will get as a wife 1/4. فَإِنْ كَانَ لَكُمْ وَلَدٌ, if the deceased person is a husband and has children, so she as a wife will get فَلَهُنَّ الثُّمُنُ, 1/8. These are the shares of all the Muslims. When someone died in Islam, so these are the principles and these are the rules. These are the glorious and glorified rules of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which are described in these holy verses.